It will go to drain.
Drain.
Yeah.
Drain is going.
Okay, that one in our Authority we connect.
Is a part of that node or that node?
No, another node, that one.
Okay.
Don't fix it here.
That
Okay.
we take it in inlet and balancing tank, etc.
So guys, now we are going on the downstream. We are going to inlet chamber CCT. So this is a chlorine contact tank. And here you are adding the chlorine, and this is simple. And this is manual valve, right? ESG
Yeah,
1201 A and B.
manual. It is
What I will say ESG,
Here
SG.
is
I will say normally open. So one, it will not happen in time. So I will say normally open. So this line 300 by 300. This is the duct or this is the
only
opening.
with penstocks.
Only opening here.
No. This is overflow. No, should that have.
No. Unless if there is a penstock.
Outlet, no.
Outlet is overflow. No, you need not.
Banner is outlet, but he put in the.
But it will block. It is no block.
This is overflow.
Overflow. No blockage.
No, during if you want some maintenance, it is better you take at inlet. Yeah, and it is overflow, so you can drain the tank and you can do that. Now, if it is outlet, then it is very difficult to drain the tank.
Okay, so I think okay. So overflow. So no concern. I will check the chemical part later.
Any chlorine like that here?
And you come here on downstream. Okay, from here, where the water is going. This is chemical injection I will consider in later one. Sodium hypochlorite.